Today I'll show you how to do basic daily maintenance for your DTF printer. First, make sure to clean the waste ink bottle twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Always pay attention to the ink level and clean it promptly to avoid overflow. To prevent the print head from clogging, it's important to keep your printer turned on at all times and make sure it stays connected to the Better Printer software. Also, remember, don't let your computer go to sleep or enter hibernation mode while printing. Take some time to check the ink dampers for sediment buildup. And inspect the white ink buffer to see if there's any leakage. You should also clean the main components of your printer regularly to avoid any stains that could affect your printing results. This helps maintain consistent print quality and extends the life of your printer. And here's an important reminder: always wear gloves when doing maintenance, and make sure you're properly protected. Never use unauthorized cleaning agents; they might damage sensitive components inside your machine. Lastly, try to avoid placing your printer or consumables in direct sunlight. Excessive sunlight can speed up white ink sedimentation, which may cause clogging. So, it's best to keep your printer in a cool, shaded area.